How to extract a QR code of an account or a person on Instagram. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just open Instagram as you see, then you will go down and go for search for this person that you want to extract his QR code of his account. You will just go to search, then for example I will use this person, then go to this 3 point here, then go to show QR code, and then I extract its QR code of this account, and I can save it or I can share it. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.